Structural health monitoring, really you can consider as a personal doctor to any kind of structure made by humans. Infrastructure, train, airplane, they all have so-called health issues. If you build cars, we never consider that these systems require repair, but nothing always like that. What we are trying to do, health management system, is try to minimize that any kind of uncertainty.
Acellent, we provide the complete solution to spacecraft, aircraft, and rotorcraft, which include network sensors, data acquisition system, and algorithms. We can monitor critical structure from anywhere, anytime.
Structural health monitoring uses the smart layer combined with specialized hardware and diagnostic algorithms to detect damage in structures. With metal structures, we can detect fatigue crack and corrosion. We can also detect loosening of bolts in structures. Many of our systems are customized specifically for our customers' requirements, so we plug our systems into their existing infrastructure and make sure that it works well with everything they already have.
Watch out for pedestrian.
For the future, the autonomous system, either robotic system, either drone system, health management system become a backbone technologies.
すごく夢があって、すごくテクノロジー、技術がある。エーセレントのテクノロジーというのは、いろんな産業に使うことができます。輸送機、電力プラントを中心に、いろんな部署の人と関わっていく中で、今までなかったようなグループ間シナジーを出すことができます。
So many different innovative ideas. It's very challenging, but it's also very rewarding.
I really see we can make structure have a feeling. That's what I believe is going to happen soon, especially with our technology.
I want to see save human life. The earthquake collapse, I will be able to tell, hey, this building still be safe. We can make everything better and live longer. And that's the dream. If that is possible, I'll be happy.